This is realme's new entry-level phone, and it has a feature quite similar to the iPhone. Hi guys, my name is Joseph from Davao Geek Hub, and this is my unboxing and first impressions of the Realme C55. Let's start the unboxing and see what accessories it comes with out of the box. Inside is the quick user guide and safety guide. We also get a free clear rubber case as well as the SIM ejector tool. Of course, we have the C55 itself. And underneath is a 33-watt SuperVOOC charger and its USB-A to USB-C cable. Now let's check out the device. This is the rainy night color variant. It'll also come in sun shower. The back design really resembles its colorway name. It looks like rain showers in the night. It also feels like glossy plastic, but it doesn't really capture fingerprints that much, which is good. Its sides are flat and it has rounded corners, which seems to be the design trend these days. And for an entry-level phone, it actually looks really good. It looks more like Realme's number series. For buttons, we have the volume and power or wake button that double as the fingerprint sensor on the right side. On the left side is where you'll find the SIM card tray. There's nothing up top, and below we have a 3.5mm audio jack, mic, USB Type-C port, and its speaker. The fingerprint sensor is actually fast and is in a comfortable position. Now there are some who doesn't like side-mounted fingerprint sensors, and there are some who do. I am one of the latter, so if you don't like side-mounted sensors, this device might not be for you. Now at the front, it features a large 6.72-inch punch hole display, the largest in the C series so far. It's a vibrant IPS screen with a 90Hz refresh rate. Color accuracy is not AMOLED great, but still quite good, and I've enjoyed watching videos on it. Sound quality isn't so great though. It only has one single firing speaker and it sounds a bit lacking when listening to music. Luckily, it does have an audio jack, so you can use your headphone or wireless buds to listen to your favorite music. The speaker can also get real loud, up to 200% volume, so you can still immerse yourself when gaming. Speaking of gaming, it performs fine while playing Asphalt 9. But on demanding games such as Honkai Star Rail, it lags a little. But it is still playable when you set the graphics to very low. On normal everyday tasks though, it performs very well. Scrolling is smooth thanks to its 90Hz refresh rate. You can browse along your favorite apps with ease. The C55 also features the Mini Capsule. It's kinda like Apple's Dynamic Island. It's called the Mini Capsule because it extends the punch hole camera into an elongated pill-shaped window. It can be set to display information such as charging status, data usage, and or step count. I believe this feature is the first in Android devices, but correct me if I'm wrong. Now for cameras, it has a dual camera setup on the rear, which is composed of a 64MP wide camera and a 2MP depth sensor. At the front is an 8MP wide selfie camera. Picture quality from the cameras are quite decent. They're good enough as far as entry-level phone goes. However, they do suffer on low-light situations where you get a bit of noise. Here are some quick sample shots I took with the device. For the specifications of the device, I'll post it on screen right now. Feel free to pause the video to check it out. The Realme C55 is now available for purchase here in the Philippines. It will have a retail price of 8,999 pesos for the 6 plus 128GB variant and 10,999 pesos for the 8 plus 256GB variant. You can get them at Realme stores and kiosks nationwide, as well as online via Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok Shop. That's it for my unboxing and first impressions of the Realme C55. Give it a thumbs up if you found it informative and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon as well to get notifications when we have new videos up. In-depth review will be in written form over at DavaoGeekHub.com. Link will be in the description box below. This has been Joseph of Davao Geek Hub. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.